the assistive device then is, what does it do? It unloads my hip joint. Can you picture that? This. Now the tipping scale, because of my left hand pressing on the cane, is helping to eliminate that dropping force on the left side, and therefore decreases amount of work of muscles here, and therefore decreasing compression. Decreasing compression, decreasing compression. Comparing to if I carry the cane on the same side, see, that doesn't solve the problem. That doesn't solve the problem because my pelvis is dropping on the side. These muscles have to work hard, and therefore I'll have more than 3 times my body weight each time I'm stepping forward. But if I switch here, now that's helpful. That's helpful. That's helpful. And add to it weight, no problem. So light, so easy. Things like this we'll discuss in our workshop in the series of 5 sessions devoted to happy hips. I hope to see you there.